ahead, would any of you like a magazine to read?
Yes, please.
No?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
Look at that. Don't forget, Flo. I'll be back on Saturday for my highlights.
Oh, honey, I am so sorry. I forgot to tell you that I won't be open on Saturday.
Not open on Saturday? What's going on?
I'm going to church.
What did you say? These hairdryers are so noisy.
I said I'm going to church.
What?
I'm really excited. It's Seventh-day Adventist.
Oh, that's really great, really.
What's great?
She's going out with Seth Vente, the dentist. The dentist on Saturday.
What? Flo has a date on Saturday. What? He has a Saturn?
So, Flo, where are you going?
New Haven.
What?
New Haven. The congregation is really loving. The sermons are great, and it's very spirit-filled.
Wow, that's nice.
What?
She's going to the Blue Raven.
New restaurant at 28 Mile?
Yes, it is. She says the steaks are great. Something about free refills. Oh, and she needs relaxation.
Relaxation?
What's he like? Flo, what do you like about him?
Him? Oh, him? I couldn't live without him. I just love the Lord.
What did she say?
He drives a Ford.
He's still attached to the biblical court. Mama's boy. I wish I had a date Saturday.
Me too. Hey, why don't you girls come with me?
What?
You can all come and meet the congregation. I'm sure there will be at least 50 of the nicest people there you'd love to meet.
What?
She's talking about relaxation again. But there'll be 50 men there at the Blue Raven we can meet.
Good, then it's all settled then. In fact, why don't we all meet here Saturday and drive over together?
Great idea. See you then. Thanks for making it beautiful.
Oh, I have to go find the perfect outfit.
Oh, just come as you are. See you then.
See you then. Honey, you need to go on a cruise.